Hello! This is Mommy Ara and this is Mommy Sunshine's camera. Kasi siya po ang guest natin at may mga konting problema lang. Bago natin ipakilala at bago natin ipakita muna ang kanyang beautiful face, we have to give you some disclaimer lang. Magkasama po kami ngayon kasi we are together for a hosting gig dito sa NCCC Supermarket, and we are wearing our face shield and we also have our face mask, and of course na-screen po kami sa gate pa lang. We are safe. So eto, ayan. Pero while nag-uusap kami ngayon ay magsusuot po kami ng face shield. Ayan, masyado nang mahaba. Let us say hi to Mommy Sunshine. And Mommy Trisha over there. And Miss Jana over there.
Love it. Grabe na ito.
Sige, girl.
Na-stuck siya. Sige, ako.
Hinahinay lang masama din mo Arius. Ay, mo Arius, mo dalungga.
Ang Arius din. Ang Arius ang
Nga, okay. Hello, Shine. First of all, thank you for letting me use your cam. Kaya na memory card error ang ako ang camera. So, okay, first question, Shine. How do you empower moms through your branding and niche?
Sure. Miss Universe. Well, most of the time, I think it's my friends know already na. I think for my branding, it's always gonna be like even if you're already a mom, and even if there are already a lot of responsibilities to you, responsibilities that you're handling, you should always be yourself. Like, you should stay as you, and
K-drama na
yeah, you should be yourself, and consider that nothing has changed, even if you're already a mom. So you should take care of yourself. You should like go OTD pa rin. Paganda pa rin tayo kahit mommies na. Most of the time, that is my message, and you have to be to do whatever you want to do. Nothing should stop you.
Yes, because we all deserve our me time. We all deserve ourselves. Tama ba, Trish? We are enough. Okay, next question for Mommy Shine. Ayan. Mo dyan yung tininood nga panggikan sa Miss Universe preliminary interview. What is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you?
Thank you so much for that wonderful question.
Ikaw. Asang microphone ay audio ano siya? Basta matabunan ako ba sa baba, no?
I think when because I came from a broken family or broken home, I think the learning, that is just really the biggest experience I had as a child, and that contributed a lot to my growth. Because I always some people really think na coming from a broken home is something na I think it's already like parang taboo siya na coming from a broken home is a bad thing. Ayun, but it's not actually. Like, okay lang siya. I think I can see, or I can tell that I grew up well, even if my father and mother separated. I have issues, but these issues are not really like super major, like that makes me like antisocial anymore. So ayun, I have friends who loves me like karon, so I'm not antisocial. It's not a bad thing if you come from a broken family. So okay lang siya. I grew up well. Ayun.
It's how you handle yourself, diba? And how you treat other people na ano din ako
Yes.
sa inyo. Ha? Okay, third question is, as a mom, name top 3 things that you love using for your child.
3 things. I love, but most of the time, yung lotion sa,
Naturally.
oh, naturally.
Naturally.
Lotion sa natural. I really don't have, di ako maselan sa mga brands for my kids. So I really don't have like, the parang specific brand.
Bito.
Yung milk niya nido, and just that's it. For Lucas,
Olivia.
Lucas and Olivia, wala talaga. Like usual like shampoo, baby shampoo. For Olivia and Lucas, Misty unsa nga baby shampoo.
Yes.
Okay,
Diba?
kanang
As
sa-
long as unsay available
Yes.
and mura ka usually.
And then mo lang to.
Okay. Sige. Now, last question. What is your Christmas message to parents who are watching this video?
Bago na nag-chat na dito. Well, I hope that the parents will be able to maintain and be consistent in giving their kids, the happiness and the peace that Christmas usually brings.
Yes.
Because earlier we actually like talked about Christmas, and then every Christmas lately I always think na sana I wish it's still like I was still a child.
Yes.
Because
Same.
as in like
Same.
bata pa unta ako pa celebrate Christmas.
It's because our parents gave us a very good memory about Christmas. That's why we always long for Christmas season, diba?
As in super like I'm super excited every Christmas when I was still a child. Like super excited. It's the season that I really look forward the whole year. So I really hope that parents will be able to will be able to consistently like do that ba, give that happiness
that
and
they
give
deserve.
the experience to the kids. Ayun.
So when they grow up, they will also have the same beautiful memories like we had.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
As
I
in,
love that. Bisag ako namulat pod ko. Tama ba?
nakapag-reflect.
Nakapag-reflect po ko, which is, that's the basic nga mahatag na to para sa mga tanang parents karong Christmas. Kay kung kita ginalong na to na we would also want our kids in the near future nga mayon po na-miss na ako ang childhood during Christmas. It's because the credits always go to our parents na naghatag sa tuwa og good memories about Christmas season. Okay, lastly, super duper last, please tell us unsa atong mga maabangan sa imuhang channel, sa imuhang Facebook page, and plug everything that you would like to tell us.
So, first of all, thank you kaayo sa mga nagstay supporting me as an influencer. And for Christmas, of course, I'll be participating sa Vlogmas. But will be actually mostly the content will be mostly
Live.
about about life, FAQs, trivias, and things you don't know about me most of the time, ganon. And that's what I will be sharing. And also I am launching my support group, Facebook group, so I hope that you are gonna join. It's like Mommy Misfits Hub. So the main reason why, just like what I said earlier, that my usual message is just to be yourself, even if you're already a mom. So Mommy Misfits Hub is a group where you can just be yourself. Ayun. So you can share anything there. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much, Aya, for this.
Yes. Don't mention that, Shine. Ako dapat mag-thank you. Ako dapat mag-thank you, Shine, because nasingit pa jud nato ni ato ang pagchika-chika diri, and I am so happy kay nag-uban jud ning tulo. Trisha, nag-uban jud ning tulo. Sayang wala sila Andrea and Catherine and Mami MJ, but soon, pag okay na ang panahon. Okay. So once again, this is Mommy Sunshine. Please do follow her, send her good messages, send her Christmas wishes, and everything. Kung gusto niyo mga K-drama recommendations, ato lang sa iyang channel. So that's it. Thank you so much, mommies, for watching. Until our next Vlogmas episode. Bye!